Look around you. Different faces, different stories, different dreams. We've been taught to see these differences as dividers, but what if we're looking at it all wrong? Real coexistence isn't about erasing who we are or pretending we're all the same. It's about choosing patience over judgment, perseverance over giving up when things get tough. It's in the small moments, sharing a laugh, lending a hand, really listening to someone whose world looks nothing like yours. These moments don't happen by accident. They take intention, courage, and sometimes a willingness to be uncomfortable.